Okay, what were you saying now? You're cleaning these cabinet doors because they were sticky and grimy.
That's correct. Look at how beautiful they came out.
That looks way better.
Yeah. It's called a touch of orange.
Touch of orange. Now this says touch of beeswax. So what's the deal here?
Well, the deal is that you use the cleaner first.
Use this cleaner.
We use this cleaner first, and I lost the thing off.
Okay, but it's called a touch of orange.
And this is the cleaner.
Okay.
And then this is the preserve to preserve the wood.
Okay, so you put that on last.
And you let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes, and then you wipe it off.
Oh, 30 to 60 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then you wipe it off.
Okay.
And then it's just beautiful.
That helps restore things.
It restores it, and it cleans it. It cleaned off all the fingerprints.
Very nice.
The dirty marks. Yeah.
That would be a good thing. Beeswax, touch of beeswax with orange oil wood preserver.
And you can get it online.
Just go to online and put in touch
of orange.
Touch of orange, and that'll come in as like a 2-pack, or maybe is this concentrated and then you fill it up with water, or you just
can buy it. You can buy it in a 2-quart or a quart. You can buy it in a gallon.
Oh, okay.
Depends on how much you use it.
Okay.
And it's made right here in California by Auburn and Cottonwood.
Nice.
So I've used it for years.
All right. Well, thanks for that tip, Auntie
You're
Bonnie.
very welcome.
Now, why does she have that door off? Well, I'll tell you why. You see here, there's one hinge here. This one's missing because I went to the store and got some more of these hinges. Now, these hinges are supposed to be kind of like spring-loaded. See how loose this one is? It's not supposed to be like that, and that was keeping the doors from closing all the way. So I went to the store, my good store. Where do I usually go? Yes, the Home Depot. And you see, these are 20-year-old hinges, 25-year-old hinges. They just happen to have something very similar to that. That's why I took this to the store, because I wanted to make sure everything lined up. Okay, and on this particular one here, see, it's not flapping in the breeze like this. That's because the little plastic thing in here is all spring-loaded. See there? That's how you want these. So how many of those do I have? I have, take a guess, 44 of these I have to put on. That means there's 22 doors in here in this little kitchen. Can you believe that? And my auntie, she wanted me to fix these for her.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Thank you.
this is a nice little kitchen, and I've got my work cut out for me to do these, but it's very simple. You just undo these screws, and I've got a battery operated drill, and I'm charging it up right now. Here's the 12 volt drill, and I'm charging up the battery over here. And incidentally, this kitchen really turned out nice. If you've been watching my channel, you might have seen this. How long ago did we do this? A year ago?
About a year ago.
A year ago. This used to have a drop grid ceiling in here, and fluorescent light fixtures. We took all that out. We put the eyeball lights in. The cabinets were existing. That she decided to keep those and put the crown molding up there. Retextured the ceiling, repainted. There used to be wallpaper down there. New countertops, new sink, and new garbage disposal. We even put in a garbage disposal that you touch that with air. And I did some wiring down there. I also had to add
my favorite.
Ooh, nice. Oh, I like that. That's nice. And you put in the mini blinds. Yeah. What else did we do here? We ran some electrical. We had to relocate this. I installed an electrical outlet up there. We put one down underneath here. We did all kinds of stuff in here, didn't we?
We did.
Yeah, it turned out really super nice. So you want to check out any of those things on my channel, have at it. Okay, so my next step is I'm going to take all of the doors off and the hinges off, and I'm going to replace those. And incidentally, I went to the store and we found some little bumpers. These are medium duty felt pads, and these are like door silencers for your cabinet doors. So when you close the doors, you don't hear them bounce and stuff. Now see, these have the silencers on here. So we're gonna check and see if any of them are loose, see if we have to replace some. Because the last thing you want is for the doors to sound really loud when you're closing them and stuff. So get these little silencers, and they come in different sizes. See, I got this one here. There's 3 different sizes. Here's medium, large, and the small ones. Okay, try those.